So for today's lesson, we're going to be solving system of linear equations using a new method, which is called elimination. I need to pick a variable and create opposites to cancel out in order to solve for t and to solve for p. How do I do that? Well, pick any variable you want. Do you want to get rid of the p or the t? In this case, let's say I want to use the p. That stands for paperback books. I need to create opposites. Now, what are opposites? Opposites are numbers that have equal distance from zero. So an example of that would be -5 and 5. If I look at 3p and 4p, I notice that those are not opposites. So I need to find the LCM, which is the least common multiple of 3 and 4, to find that common number. So 3, 6, 9, 12. 4, 8, 12. I could stop right there because I noticed that 12 is the least common multiple. So now I need to go back to my first equation. What do I need to multiply the first equation by to get 12p? Well, 3p times 4 gives me 12p. And now that I found what I need to multiply the equation by, I need to distribute the 4 with everything inside the equation. So that means 4 times 3p, which gives me 12p. 12p, sorry. 4 times 2t, which gives me 8t. And 4 times 22.6, which gives me 90.4. Now, I need to go to my second equation and ask myself, 4p times what will give me -12p? And that's -3. A positive and a negative gives us a negative. So if I distribute that, just to double check, -3 times 4p, it is -12p. Now I need to do -3 times 5t, which is -15t. And last, -3 times 46, which is, which equals -138. Be careful with those negatives. Now, here, I got what I wanted. Opposites. 12p and -12p are opposites. That gets canceled out. Now I need to combine my like terms. 8 minus 15 will give me 7, not just 7, -7t, which is equal to 90.4 minus 138. And that gives me -47.6. Last but not least, I need to divide both sides by -7. -7, that cancels out. T is equal to -47.6 divided by -7, and that gives me 6.8 pounds. Now the question is asking me to solve for how much one textbook is, how many pounds one textbook is, but also how many pounds a paperback book is. In order to solve for P, I need to plug in. Solve for P. So you could pick any equation that you want to use. Let's say I want to use the second one, 4P plus 5T equals 46. I already know my value of T, so I could just plug that in. So it's going to be 4P plus 5 parentheses 6.8 is equal to 46. Now if I multiply 5 times 6.8, I get 34. So I bring down the 4p plus 34 is equal to 46. Subtract both sides by 34. That cancels out. 4p is equal to 46 minus 34, which is 12. Divide both sides by 4. So P is equal to 3 pounds. So that's how I solve for P, and that's how I solve for T.